getting started with the REST APIs, and here today we are doing it with the Express framework of Node. So let's start it here. If you want to read more about the REST APIs, then this is a very good resource here, restfulapi.net. I will mention this link in the description below. Don't worry about it. So here I'm starting it, just creating a new directory. You can do it, you can make any name of it, just changing my directory to it, initializing a node project here by using npm init. It's here, leaving everything default, and yes, it's done. Opening my code editor here, it's Visual Studio Code. Yeah, it's opening, it's on its way. Yes, before doing that we can install Express. It will be done in the backend. Code editor is taking much long time. Yeah, it's coming. I think my internet is not working. Yes, it's package.json. Yes, so before starting it, I just want to put start here, and at the npm start I want node server to get load, and it's doing its stuff here. So meanwhile we can create a server.js. This is the main file that will start our server. So it came here. The first thing, we want to create a constant express. Now express is available in the node modules, so require we can put require from anywhere in the project, because it's available to the all of the directories. The next thing, I want to create an object of it. Yes, it's done. And now I'm simply starting my server at port 3000. You can do it on another port as well. Just need to be careful that the port should not be in use. I'm just writing a normal console log here and just passing a message, random message, server started at 3000. You can pass anything, it's just a console log. And here I'm writing it npm start, and this should call our server.js file and should show us the message. And yes, it's come. So now our server is started here. Since we haven't configured the root, so it's showing error because we haven't configured the root, so the get command is not working. So let's say write our first root here. This is app.get. So we are configuring root here, and request response and response dot send. This is root of project awesome. Yes, now you are a developer. Again start, and now that root directory should also work. Server haven't started yet. Yes, now it's been started and it should come. Yes, great. So let's create a resource. In REST APIs we call everything resource. So I'm getting users, so this should return all the users available in our project, in our DB. Right now we don't have DB, so we are not configuring it, just sending a default message, you list of all users it is. So again I need to restart it, and if I go it here and this users, so here it is. So let me see you again in the next tutorial. With there we will discuss about the put, patch and post request. Thank you.